Today, I'm trying a homemade, fluffy, American-style pancake recipe with 2 different topping styles. This is a first for me, so there's every chance it could go wrong, but hopefully we end up with something delicious. I'll walk through everything as I go and break the ingredients down along the way. First up, a small cookware upgrade. I picked up this stainless steel mixing bowl, a whisk and a set of sieves, nothing fancy, but definitely an improvement. I like to prep as much as possible before cooking, so I start by putting some smoked bacon onto a baking tray and I just pop that in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius until it's nice and crispy. While that's cooking, I zest a lemon, which will add to the batter later. I slice up some strawberries and combine them with blueberries and just pop them to the side. I also melt some of this black cherry jam just by popping it into a microwave. I'm hoping it'll work nicely as a warm drizzle later. For the batter, into a jug I combine 240 milliliters of whole milk, 55 grams of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, and then we add the lemon zest. Into a mixing bowl I sift 210 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of caster sugar, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I give that a quick whisk, then I gently fold in the wet mixture until the batter is thick, smooth and consistent. Now we're ready to cook. I'm going to heat the pan over a medium heat and just melt a little bit of butter. Then the batter goes straight into the centre, and then I let it cook for about a minute before flipping. On my first attempt I underestimated just how little heat these pancakes actually needed. As you can see, the first one's a little bit enthusiastic. After that, rinse and repeat, adjusting the heat as I go until all the batter is used. For the first topping, I'm going full American breakfast. I stack the pancakes with layers of butter and the crispy bacon. Then drizzle with plenty of maple syrup. And then top it with a fried egg and more bacon, a few fresh herbs to finish it off. And honestly, the pancakes alone were incredible, light, fluffy with the vanilla and lemon really coming through. Now for the second topping, we're going to repeat the process, and now honestly, this is where I should have stopped. I may have got a little bit carried away. So clearly I need to work on my pancake preparation. But either way, I had a blast making this video. I've left a link in the description for the recipe if you want to give it a go. And thank you so much for watching.